All right, we have news just coming in. The BJP has attacked Rahul Gandhi and reduced speaking hours. It is disgraceful that the Lok Sabha Speaker has to remind Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, about basic parliamentary decorum, says the BJP. The fact that Congress has imposed this puerile man upon us is truly unfortunate.
लोकसभा प्रक्रिया माननीय सदस्यगण, आप सबसे अपेक्षा की जाती है कि आप सदन में सदन की मर्यादा और शालीनता के उच्च मापदंडों को बनाए रखें। सदन में मेरे संज्ञान में ऐसी कई घटनाएं हैं जब माननीय सदस्यों के आसन सदन की उच्च परंपराओं मापदंडों के अनुरूप नहीं है। इस सदन में पिता पुत्री, माँ बेटी, पति पत्नी सदस्य रहें। इस परिप्रेक्ष्य में मेरा नेता परिपक्ष से अपेक्षा है कि लोकसभा प्रक्रिया काल संचालन नियम 349 के वर्णित सभा में पालनीय नियमों के अनुरूप सदन में आचरण व्यवहार करें, जो सदन की मर्यादा और प्रतिष्ठा के अनुरूप रहना चाहिए। मैं पुनः आग्रह करता हूं, इस सदन में विशेष रूप से प्रतिपक्ष के नेता से तो ये अपेक्षा की जाती है कि वो आचरण रखें। सदन की कार्रवाई 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
देखिए, मुझे हाउस में जब भी मैं उठता हूँ एक कन्वेंशन है, लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को बोलने दिया जाता है। भैया ये माइक मेरे मुंह में मत डालो, पीछे लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को एक कन्वेंशन है कि बोलने दिया जाता है। जब भी मैं खड़ा होता हूँ मुझे बोलने नहीं दिया जाता, ठीक है। तो पता नहीं मतलब ये किस प्रकार से हाउस चल रहा है। जो हम कहना चाहते हैं हमें कहने नहीं देते।
More information coming in. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has backed Rahul Gandhi's claim that they're not being allowed to speak in the House, that the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha wasn't allowed to speak. Priyanka Gandhi has spoken about this matter, backing Gandhi's Parliament gag claim. Retweets Rahul's statement, says, yes, this is the LOP or the leader of the opposition, is what Priyanka Gandhi said. Piyush has got more details on that. Piyush, this is a charge that Gandhi had been making for many days now, but today, in fact, the Speaker also intervened. Just tell us what played out before the Parliament was then adjourned at 2 in the afternoon.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. You know, today many speakers were putting forth their views on different issues, and when the turn of leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi came at the time, the Speaker Om Birla intervened, and he said that the leader of opposition must maintain the decorum of House. He should know as to how to behave during the proceedings of House. Speaker also highlighted that multiple times there are blood relations. MPs and MPs and senior leaders are present in the House, but they have always maintained decorum. But leader of opposition is not doing so. He also added that he would expect a leader of opposition to behave in a proper manner, and after which the House got adjourned. Soon after that, we saw around 70 members of parliament from Congress party. They approached the speaker. They requested him to let the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, to speak, but that did not happen. After which we also saw how Priyanka Gandhi came out. She has backed Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi himself said that whenever I wish to speak, I am always denied the opportunity. So at one side, Rahul Gandhi and Congress party are claiming that the Congress leader is not allowed to speak. On the other side, BJP is saying, look at the kind of behavior Rahul Gandhi does when the proceedings are underway. This is basically about a video clip which has also been tweeted by BJP's leader Amit Malviya, where it is seen that Rahul Gandhi is seen pulling the cheeks of Priyanka Gandhi. So on that video, what we are told is that Om Birla has also taken a note of that, and he has requested leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi to behave in a proper manner when the proceedings of House are underway.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Getting in those details at this point in time is Piyush Mishra telling us about the proceedings in the House and how the leader of the opposition has claimed that he is not being given an opportunity to speak.